Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Install the phone app and the PC host now. Plug your phone by USB for fastest setup. Enable USB debugging and developer options so the computer can see the device. Once done, open the host app on the PC and the companion app on the phone and accept any pairing prompts. You do this because a direct connection reduces lag and simplifies permissions. If you prefer wireless, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network before moving on. Now configure the extended display. In the host app, choose extended monitor rather than mirror, then pick resolution and orientation that match the phone. Lower resolution reduces latency. Drag the on-screen monitor icon to the correct side so your mouse flows naturally. Set scaling to prevent tiny text. Once you adjust, make sure to test by moving a window across. The phone should behave like a second monitor. You do this to match desktop layout and to balance performance versus clarity. Finish by locking in preferences. Pin frequently used apps to the extended screen and choose input method, touch or mouse. If you used Wi-Fi, consider switching to USB when performance matters. If frames drop, quit and relaunch both apps, reconnect the cable, and reduce resolution. Make sure the PC firewall and phone permissions allow the host app. If pairing fails, toggle USB debugging or reauthorize the device. These steps resolve most connection and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.